Welcome back for another episode of Penny's Hot Rod and Custom. Just old Derek again. Still playing with the 7 horsepower Stickney. Since last time I couldn't start this engine to get my brother because I didn't have the timing set properly on it. I'm pretty sure I got the timing set properly on it now, so we'll get actually be a real first run with me starting it. That's the big thing. Just do a little recap on this thing. Brand new piston. It was line bored out. We made the pattern for the piston. Had a couple of them poured up, and this one I made brand new rings for this. Brand new valves. The Babbitt, I can't remember if I poured them or not. I can't remember. I know the other engine I did, but I'm not too sure about on this one. They might have been in good shape, so I might have left them. The governor shaft, I made the new shaft for the cam. The gear, I made these. These are just from stock cast iron. I put new pins in the weights. I think that was pretty much it what I made for new stuff for this. But it's, except for I gotta paint off the flywheel, I'll do that after. I'm just about near the end on this this respiration. It will probably get put somewhere and run it a couple times a year. I might run this guy off, run a saw manual, cut my firewood up on. That's what I'm kind of leaning towards too. It's a little overkill. You're not going to have a problem cutting firewood, so. But, like I said, in this video, it's going to be pretty much the first time me starting it. If I set the timing up a lot better. Your starting system's right here. You got start and run. Start here, it readjusts your timing in here. That way, when you turn the flywheel over, I've got it timed about 3 degrees after top dead center. And then once it starts running, switch it back over to run. Then it kicks back into, I'm going to say I got it right now about 25 degrees before top dead center. And that's where you get your power. When it's fire, you get your power in the flywheel. And that's what powers your engine, whatever you want to belt up to it. I do have to go through the coil. I'm not too sure if it works or not, but I know it's complete. But I want to take it apart, make a new wood piece for it, service that up, and then I'll bolt that on. And another real neat feature we have, from my brother Kevin, he found it off of I think it was Kijiji, a real Stickney wrench. What it is for tighten your governor nut. But this is the real deal. This is not a recast, but just a neat feature to have that belongs to a Stickney engine. I got the muffler all hooked up on this now. But when I do run it, it's going to smoke a little bit because I was too lazy, and I put 2-cycle gas in it, and I don't mind putting 2-cycle gas in it for the first couple times run. That way, just a little bit of extra lubrication and everything to help break everything in. So, but it will get a little smoky, but no big deal. Not running rich or anything. So, but I don't know what else to tell you on it. That's about it. I guess what I'll do is I'll start I'll set the camera up and fire up the engine, and then after that I gotta get everybody here and we're gonna get it off the table, and I think I'm going to make a cart for it. That way I can move it around. And then I'll have to figure out what my next engine I'm going to rebuild. And I've already gone through lubricating everything. Give everything a shot of oil. Oil's your friend, especially in this stuff. So, okay, I'll go set the camera up and we'll fire her up. Okay, I'm going to, I usually turn my gas needle on about half, just so it starts. And my little button here, I hold it till you see gas dripping out of it. That's the way it's supposed to be. I've already oiled everything. I'm just going to hook up my battery, and I'll hook this switch knife just like that. One day I will get like I said, get the coil hooked up, the proper one. And I'm going to see if I can bump to start this right off the bat. You'll see. This is why I say a 10-year-old kid could start this. So we'll see if I can do it. Either that or I'll have to crank it over. We'll see. Okay. Oh yeah. Start. We'll do it here. There you go. Oh yeah. There you go. Gas, you know your trip. There's all your governor. About 325. I'd like to get a little bit slower. Okay. What we do. Turn that off. Alright, see how easy that was for me to start. Now I'll see if I can bump start it. fuel turned off. But that's bump starting it. Once I get everything dialed in, I can do this no problem. But that's why it's very important to have a good compression, your ring set up right. You don't have to fight with the engine to get it started all the time. It's a very, very easy engine to start. So I thought I'd just like to show you guys that. So I'm pretty happy how it turned out. So we'll do another engine after this. I think right now I'm listening about 300 RPM. I'm going to see if I can drop it down to about 275 or so. Shut her down. No, it'll feel safer when it's on the ground. It kind of rocks on the table, but better than working on the ground, I'll tell you that. She's getting better. The cylinders are starting to lock in, so. But, well, I hope you enjoyed that video, kind of bump starting it, you've seen it. So, you can do it with a smaller engine. Thanks for watching again, and I'll catch you on the next one.